Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an extreme clean with me. It's an all day clean and I've basically cleaned my entire house to bring you tons of motivation today. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
Stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise.
So the first thing I wanted to concentrate on today was the bedroom. So I'm going to make the bed because it does help me have a much more productive day when I start off by making my bed. It helps the room look a lot more put together, and then it's nice and cozy, ready for the evening. So I'm just going to go around and tidy it all up.
Myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
So the next thing on my to-do list is to do the dusting. So I'm just going to go ahead and move the fan out because this bedroom is small enough as it is, and I want to give myself as much room as possible. So I'm going to start off by cleaning these drawers here. I'm also going to be doing the windowsill and both of the bedside cabinets just to freshen them up, because it has been a little while since I've done the polishing, and I always feel like the room feels so much more cozy when it's had a good polish. So I'm just going to go around wiping down all of the surfaces.
I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I know what it's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am.
Next, all I need to do is go around and give it a good hoover. It is a little bit tricky for me to film it all because the room's so small, but you get the idea. I'm just going to go around hoovering the floor, making it nice and fresh. I absolutely love hoovering. I don't know why, but it is one of my favourite things to do. So I'm just going to enjoy going around and making the room nice and cozy.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true.
So once the room was nice and clean and smelling gorgeous, it was time to grab the washing and put a wash load in. I'm still using the pods. I'm definitely going to continue using the pods. I'm not going to go back to the powder. I love these. They're so much easier to store as well as easier to use. There's no mess with them and they smell amazing as well. So I love these little things. Definitely a game changer in my washing game. So I'm just going to pop this wash load on before I can then carry on with the kitchen. I always start by putting the washing up away that I did the night before and then doing any washing up that's left, because if you've been here before, you know that I always have washing up to do. So I'm just going to start off by clearing the kitchen and making it look a little bit less cluttered.
To me it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us.
So we've been in desperate need for some new knives for so long, and we finally picked some up off of Amazon, and I really like these. I just think they're really pretty, and they also come with the individual covers, which I think is really good. I am going to go ahead and leave the link down in the description box if you do want to go check them out.
Christmas time's got the best of me, then it starts to snow in our heart. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year, something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. I know it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love.
So I'm going to go in and dry up straight away, just so I can then clean the sink and it's not cluttering up the sides, because I used to always leave it to air dry, and looking back I can't really believe that I did that because it irritates me so much now. So I do need to get it dried up straight away and put away, because it just helps me feel like the kitchen is more finished and more put together. So I'm just going to go ahead, dry everything up and put it all away.
Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be.
So I really need to make some time to declutter this cupboard. It's not looking too bad, it's just we don't even use what's on the top shelf, so I feel like I'm not really making the most of the space. So I need to go in and give it a bit of a declutter, because I'm a sucker for a nice mug, and whenever I see a nice one I have to buy it, but there's just no more room to add anymore. So I need to go in and see what we use and what we don't use and just give it a bit of a declutter. But for now I'm just gonna leave it as it is and start on the sink. You know that the sink is one of my favorite things to clean. I love a good shiny sink, so I'm going in using the Cif cream today, and I'm also going to go over it with a microfiber cloth and the white vinegar. That just gives it an extra shine and helps buff it all up.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love?
So once all that's done, I'm then going to go ahead and fill up the sink with the warm cinnamon Zaflora and hot water. I tend to do this every day now, or at least every other day. It's definitely become a habit of mine, part of my routine. I just love how it smells, and it's so easy to then go around wiping all of the sides and cabinets and everything, just to disinfect everything and make it smell super Christmassy, or any fragrant you like. I just love the Zaflora scents. So I'm just going to go around now giving everything a good wipe over and making sure everything is nice and clean, ready for the day.
That the sun would always shine. I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and go.
now time to go ahead and hang the washing up. I was hoping to get the living room done before the washing was ready, but you know, when you're working against the clock, it's never on your side. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold all of this up so it doesn't get all creased, and then I can head back downstairs and finish the living room.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause the store won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart?
So now all the washing's done, I can finally head back downstairs and sort out the living room, and I just love making it nice and cozy in here. Since having Cinnabon and having the playpen in the corner, it has been a little bit more difficult to feel cozy. So I'm trying to do as much as I can in here and just try and ignore that eyesore in the corner. Cinnabon is a free roam bunny, but we do have that whilst he's a baby. He's out all day, but then he does go in there at night time. As soon as he is a few months old, we'll be able to get rid of it, or at least just have the litter tray over there instead of the huge playpen. So I am quite looking forward to that, but whilst he's still a baby, we do need to have it for overnight. So that's just going to stay over there, and then I'm going to try and make this side of the living room as cozy as possible.
Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head, and I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart, and it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done, letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger.
So I'm now going to go in and do the stairs with my cordless wax blades. I always do the stairs with this one because it's just such lightweight and it's so easy to use. But I have started using my corded one again to hoover up the living room when it's covered in hay and stuff, because obviously a corded hoover is more powerful. So I am going to try and find a link to the corded one and have them both linked down in the description box if you did want to go check those out. I'm now just going to go ahead and spray over the sofa and the curtains with the fabric softener just to make it smell really nice and fresh. And then I'm also going to go in with the spiced apple airwick scent just to spray in the room as well, just to make it really nice and fragranced. And now my whole house is smelling fresh and feeling super cozy. It's time to light a candle and make a hot chocolate and just feel all of the cozy vibes. So I really hope you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Then I'm falling down.